That woman was bent for 18 years, and one moment with Jesus changed everything. In today's gospel, Jesus meets a woman who has been bent over for 18 years. 18. People probably stopped seeing her pain. But Jesus gazed upon her. He called her forward in front of everyone and said, "You are set free." And instantly she stood tall again. What's beautiful is that her healing wasn't just physical. Jesus gave her dignity back. He lifted her eyes, literally, so she could look up again. Maybe your bent over isn't your back, but your heart, weighed down by shame, fear, or exhaustion. Jesus still sees you. He doesn't shame you. He calls you by name and says, "Stand tall, you are free." Today, let Him touch your hidden wound and pray this: "Jesus, lift me up again." Amen.